screw up your boss's presentation. Just connect her laptop to that big screen. Let's go! Whoopsie daisy, that's way too many options for you to handle. No wonder you're worried about your evaluation next week. What if there's a screen without all that unnecessary mumbo-jumbo? One that every nitwit can connect. So you don't have to say goodbye to your career. Let IT save your day with a screen offering only a few options you really need in the easiest of ways. And don't you worry about manuals or complicated remote controls, because you already know how to use it. The CTOUCH Neo offers the most intuitive user interface ever. Whiteboarding made extremely easy, smooth and wireless connection via Air Server, and Heartbeat as a service program for a lifetime of safe and supported touchscreen usage. CTOUCH Neo. You already know how to use it.